Look what's happening. Do you see what's happening?
Yeah.
What's happening?
I think the colors, look.
The colors are fading.
Yeah,
The dye on there.
Yeah, they're getting out them watercolors.
Okay, so welcome back, y'all, with Lonnie and
AJ.
and
Titi.
say TT. Today, AJ will be doing a science experience with Skittles. Can you say Skittles?
Skittles.
So this week lesson plan is about rainbow. So don't forget to watch our video about our rainbow smoothie, okay? And check us out on Instagram and Facebook because we will be posting.
Rainbows. That's the same rainbow smoothie.
And
And it has S on it.
what's the S? For Skittles. And we will be posting stuff that you will not find on YouTube. So if you would like to see more on AJ lesson plan or what he does in between, so be sure to follow us. So AJ, this is what you're going to be doing. You're going to be you're going to be opening that up and you're going to place it in a circle on the plate, okay? Okay. You ready?
Yes.
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 Whoa. Okay.
One can push it.
So right now AJ's placing them in a circle.
Yeah, match the same color.
Okay, AJ's going to match the same color.
No, teacher, no. They match the same color.
Okay, let's try to spread it out. You want to spread it out?
No, teacher, no. Stop, Titi. No, look.
Okay, then use your kind words and say, Titi, can you please stop?
Can you please stop, Titi? Can you please stop?
Okay, so AJ just got done. He's just finished. Nope. Leave it on the plate. So AJ, what you're gonna do next, you're gonna take the water and you're gonna pour it in the middle. Wait. So before you pour it, what do you think is gonna happen when you pour the water?
It's going to spill.
It's gonna go in the plate. But what do you think is gonna happen to the Skittles?
I don't know.
You don't know? Let's make a guess. Let's make a hypothesis. Wait. What do you think, TT? What do you think will happen? I think it's gonna get mushy. What do you think?
Yay. Nothing. No.
You just want to pour the water in there, huh? Okay, you can go ahead. Let TT help you. TT, hold the cup with AJ. Gentle. There you go. Okay. That's good. What do you think will happen?
It did nothing.
It did not do anything?
No, it didn't change the color.
It did not change the color? Look what's happening. Do you see what's happening?
Yeah.
What's happening?
I think the colors, look.
The colors are fading.
Yeah,
The dye on there.
Yeah, they're getting out them watercolors. The colors, Mommy. I didn't see that before.
You never seen that before?
No.
That's enough water, TT. You never seen that before?
Yeah.
No?
Yeah.
Yes? Wow. That is cool.
Yeah. And I see dots on it. I think it's gonna. I think it's gonna turn white.
You think it's gonna turn white? What's gonna turn white?
Look,
Wait, move, TT, move your hand.
Look, they're mixed up together.
Wow, they're mixing up together.
They go together.
They're going together. TT, keep your hands. TT, put it down. Wow, look how the colors are mixing.
They're gonna mix.
So, you see how the Skittles, they turn white now?
Yeah, I told you. When it's left them over, they'll turn white. I told you that.
Yeah, yes, you did. You did say that. Titi kind of moved it. Okay. Now look, it made it like a little squiggly. Okay, thank you for watching.
Oh, wow. Stop.